What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna do a little unboxing, because even though my energy is low, it just got picked back up. We just finished work, but I have this box that has just been delivered, so we can open it together. I'm kind of hungry though. Calls for some sparkling water. I spoke about it in one of my old hauls, but this San Benedetto, I don't know, not
sparkling water, that big old body.
It is. Benedetto, it's Italian, the best. So good. Like, it tops all of them. It's really bubbly, and it stays bubbly for days even after like you close it. So it's really good. The audio on this camera is like completely trash, so I'm about to put on my iPhone. Or it's not my home. I'm actually using a proper mic. I'll put on my mic. Sorry, I'm about to sound better in 3, 2, 1. Like, I hope there's not a whole mess behind me. Vetements. My first item from them. I'm so excited. This is so special. Maybe I'm gonna put you guys down like over here on my chair. Hopefully this works. We're gonna do this little bootleg unboxing. Oh, that actually works. You can see me. Okay. Yeah, so there's really not much to say except like don't die on me when I open them. Yeah, so don't die. This is the box. Very cute, all black, minimal. And it's funny because I never would have said my favorite brand isn't it so cute the way I put it on?
Yeah,
the left?
I was just thinking.
I never thought I would say it, but my favorite designer brand is probably Balenciaga. I never wanted to say it because they're very trendy, but realistically, that is my style. Like, that's the epitome of my style. Like, very edgy, occasionally a sensual kind of piece, but still relaxed and kind of like boyish at the same time. And like, what I'm realizing is, why was I sleeping on Vetements? Because they're kind of like the same thing. A little bit more extremely edgy, but
I would say, yeah, they're like a sister. They're like an older sister.
Yeah.
I've seen Vetements like denim jackets, which Balenciaga does.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They are very similar. So if you're a Balenciaga fan, try and creep into Vetements. I know some things are a little wild and out there, but just a little bit different, because I feel like everybody thinks of Balenciaga like right off the bat. So I picked up these boots back in December. That's why you're seeing them. The reason you're seeing them now is because I actually shipped them to her friend in the America, United States. I bought them from Saks. Right? This is so cute. Vetements always does stuff like this. Are Off-White and Vetements like, they're very similar as well too.
Yeah, Off-White just has more color to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say
I don't know. Maybe I need to do my research, because like Off-White and Vetements give off the same vibes. This is the left. I like.
Yeah, that same street style edgy.
Yeah, right? I like when there's 2 dust bags. I don't want the bottom of my shoes touching like the top of my shoes, the toe, right? So I really hope these fit, because like I can't really exchange them. I think they're gonna fit. The heel height is perfect. I wanted an everyday boot, and she is it. This is her. Now, I feel like they look extremely long right off the bat. I'm a little scared because I already have big feet, but because I'm tall, it kind of works, so it's fine.
Slender ankle helps.
Do we see this angled toe right here? It's good. Like, this is why designer shoes just do it. Like, the details, I don't even have to say anything else. Like, I've looked so many places. You'll look on places like ASOS for like a quick, cheap boot, and you're not gonna get the look. She raised her hand because I forgot you bought those from ASOS. Yes. Oh, they're actually kind of similar to these.
Yeah. You want me
I'll
to
post a
bring them?
picture. Yeah, or bring them. Yeah.
Like,
I actually wasn't throwing shade. Like
okay, yeah, no, it didn't feel like shade. It's just that like you're trying to say when you're trying to find something that's really particular to you, you don't want to.
especially when it's been a classic style.
They're kind of boring.
Yeah, so like you get that similar look, but there's just certain features of this one that make it more sleek and more like
the black heel.
yeah.
The like the work of the toe. Like you can see that they wanted.
Like you look at this and you're
classic.
like, that ain't no regular Steve Madden or ASOS or H&M. Like that's a good toe. Now of course, designer shoes, they never got a grip on the bottom, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. I probably
Does it have any lines?
oh my gosh, this is so smooth.
Any line
I
ridging?
feel like I need to take this
Ooh,
to a shoe.
Stunning. The bottom is stunning.
Oh my gosh. No, I'm gonna have to like take that to
I mean,
a
right now,
cover. I can't wear
you
it
wouldn't
now.
want that touching any salt on the
yeah,
sidewalk.
there's way too many. There's way too much salt on our streets right now for me to even step foot in this. So even though like I was waiting like for a bit to finally
You'll likely be
shoe.
wearing them indoors until it's springtime.
yeah. So I'm not trying to step out and have these ruins. So like totally we need to try them on. I don't want to sit here forever and be like, oh my gosh, because like I'm just seeing them for the first time. So like I'll maybe talk about them more in like another video, but they seem really good. What got me, the toe, the short heel, because I wanted a nice daytime heel that I wasn't like being frou-frou around in. Like I want to just throw them on with like relaxed jeans and not feel like I'm trying to tiptoe around like a girly girl. And then I like the ankle because it's like a sock style, but it's not a sock. Like these are all the details I was looking
come
for.
out with the literal sock shoe?
Yeah. That was like one of their first.
With their like pen or cigarette heel.
I think. Oh
I think that was
yeah.
them.
Yeah, that's what they're. Yeah, they're known for this boot. The photo right here. Most of the time. So when I came across these, I was like, ooh, they're it. I know they're gonna fit. I'm always an Italian 40 across the board. I'm actually specifically a 39.5, but I usually go for a 40 because it gives me room with whatever.
I like
socks.
how the brown on the inside matches the.
Oh yeah, they fit perfectly.
Oh, Tennille, they look
And they're like
snug.
sock-like. They're snug for
I
a
was
leather.
scared they were gonna be a little big on your
yeah,
ankle.
so
When I pulled them out, I'm like,
oh, my
got
ankles are
skinny
small.
ankles and I was thinking like, should I take them out of the paper that was in them? But I'm like, let me just leave it. Wow. Oh wow.
This is what happens when you don't settle. Did I settle before? No. I have my Steve Madden sock boots that I wear all the time, but I never purchased. I almost settled before I left Sandro. I almost bought a pair of black suede boots though, and I don't want suede to get ruined and like rain and stuff. I almost settled on those, but don't settle. If you're looking for your perfect black boot,
bro.
you will find her.
Get a leather protector spray.
These are so good.
That's hot.
Okay, like I'll show you on foot. And then I was like, oh, that ankle. I'm not gonna lie, the ankle scared me.
Yeah, the ankle looked a little wider. And I'm like,
but it like, it gives me enough room.
So that you can walk forward.
Yeah, and
kind
feel
of move
comfortable.
around.
I took a risk. I literally took a risk because I think these boots were.
And the zipper is black too. That's what I noticed. They put a dang gold zipper.
Yeah, like everything is all black.
Everything was thought about.
Yes.
That's what you notice.
Intentional.
Quality control.
Yeah,
You got thicker legs. You know. You're taller.
To them. You see, like it's like slim on the ankle, but like not.
That front.
My feet do look a little long,
front is
but
as sharp as a chip.
these are so comfortable. Like the height, like I'm not thinking about wearing boots. Like I'm not. Sorry, 30s. I'm not thinking about me having boots on right now. Like look at that toe. Like get your life with my leather pants. Oh. I feel like
Wow! It's gonna look like leather, like a whole leather. Have you seen those pants that have a shoe bottom attachment?
Oh yeah. Now that I have like my classic like leather bag and like leather heeled boots,
and they're both a soft matte leather.
they're not over the top. Like, you just, like, and it doesn't have, like, the logo anywhere, and it doesn't
have
really
any
matter.
hardware on it, so you could alternate gold and silver,
Yeah.
which is great.
And it's really nice. Like, you wouldn't, I know this has Balenciaga all over it, but, like, if you initially see these together, you'd be like, those, they look high class.
Yeah.
Without even having to see, like, any branding.
Here for this, I'm so happy.
They're so great, man. Yeah, they're so good. I know they're not going to be everyone's cup of tea because they're, like, a little bit edgy, but I was looking for, like, an everyday boot that's not basic, you know, but basic.
Pointy toes are out.
Yeah.
Square is in.
So that's what I liked about this. It had some point, so it's not like your average round toe.
Yeah.
Or
And it's also not your average square toe.
exactly. It's on an angle. So it gives me best of both worlds. Like, they just sit so pretty underneath my jeans like this. Oh my god, they're so good. Sorry, like, I probably look like a major egghead because of this bun, and I'm, like, so tired. My concealer is probably on my chin, but this is a whole outfit I'm wearing right now. Like, this is a look. This is a look and a half. This cardigan is from Uniqlo. I feel like I need other colors in it now because it's a pretty good staple and I wear it all the time. It washes really well. It's merino wool. These jeans are a goldie. I even like it the way I did this. I never really liked these jeans that much until now, especially with these boots. I want to wear them. There's way too much salt and it's way too cold. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm talking too much. I really feel like my designer basics are, like, coming together now because I need to do, like, a boot collection video. Like, my boot game, I wear, like, my Prada combat boots all the time. They're such a good everyday, and now that I have these, like, they're gonna be such a good, like, dressier everyday, like, non casual piece. I have my staple boots. I have, like, my staple handbag. Capsule pieces, yes. I have my sunglasses. I'm really, like, starting to, like, narrow it down, and, like, I'm even starting to notice, like, I really don't need many more designer pieces at the moment anyway. Yeah, like, if I were to buy, like, it would probably be something trendy, which I don't really like to invest in trendy pieces. If I'm gonna buy something trendy, I'd rather buy it from, like, somewhere cheaper, like Zara or H&M or something. So maybe that could be another video as well too. Yeah, my wardrobe is just really starting to feel complete, but you know there's always additions to make. Yes, this is a very impromptu video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link these boots down below if they're still available on Saks' website. Oh, I forgot to say the price.
Down to the penny. Well, you got a discount. I don't know how much, but I remember you telling me that.
This is US.
Ooh.
Yeah, this is US pricing. Originally they were like $1,700 Canadian. After everything, I think they were $700. So I saved like $1,000, which is wild. And then shipping them to a friend in Merca saved me like another $300 on taxes. So that helps a lot. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click my big head to subscribe and watch these other videos that you may have missed. I love you guys forever and ever, and I will see you in my next one.